Hey guys, today we're reading Hop on Pop by Dr. Seuss. Hop on Pop. Hop on Pop. Pup up, pup. Pup is pop. Pup is up. Cup, pup. Cup, pup. Pup in cup. Pup, cup. Cut on pup. Mouse house. Mouse on house. House mouse. House on mouse. If you can't see, here is the little mouse. Right. Let me just, right there. That's the mouse. He's carrying the house. All tall, we all are tall. All small, we all are small. All ball, we all play ball. All wall, ball all, up on a wall. All fall off the wall. They play, we play all day. Night fight, we fight all night. He, me, he is after me. He is after me. Him, Jim. Jim is after him. That's Jim. That's his big brother being bitten by a giant tiger. CB, we see AB. C, B, 3. Now we see 3. Tree, 3. There, the airy, very, there, there's, there, fish in the tree. Air, there, fish in a tree. Fish in a tree? How can that be? There, there's, there. Red, red. They call me red. Red, bed. I am in bed. Red, Ned, Ted, and Ed in bed. Ed is that one. Ted is that one. Ned and Ed is that one. Red is that. So here's the picture. The tiny one's Ed. The other one's Ted. The other one is Ned. And the last one with the red hair is Red. Pat, Pat. They call him Pat. Pat sat on hat. That's crazy. He's sitting on a hat. Wait until it's in the story. Pat sat. Pat cat. Pat sat on cat. Pat bat. Pat sat on bat. No, Pat, no. Don't sit on that. Sad, dad, bad, had. Dad is sad. Dad is sad. Very, 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 very sad. He had a bad day. What a Dad. Sing. What is that thing? Sing. That thing can sing. Sing long. A long song. Goodbye thing. You sing too long. Look at it. The whole school is singing. Nice. Walk. We like to walk. Walk, talk. We like to talk. So they're walking and talking. Hop on, pop. Hop, pop. We like to hop. We like to hop on top of pop. Stop. You must not hop on pop. This one. Yeah, I did. So, hop there, because Mr. Brown, Mrs. Brown. Mr. Brown, upside down. Pup up, Brown down. Pup is down. Where is Brown? So Brown floated away. There. Where is Brown? There is Brown. Mr. Brown is out of town. You pick it up. You saw this one, right? On that page? Good. Black. Back, black. Brown came back. Brown came back with Mr. Black. Snack. Eat a snack. Eat a snack with Brown and Black. Jump, bump. He jumped. He bumped. Fish, fast pass. He passed. He passed. He went past fast. Went 10 cents. He went into the tent. I sent him out of the tent. There's all little Dr. Seuss stories. Little boxes. Wet, get. 2 dogs get wet. Help, yelp. They help. They yelp for help. Will went uphill. Will hill still. Will is uphill still. That's how tall the mountain is. On that page, that's how tall the mountain is. It's tall. Father, mother, sister, brother. That one is my other brother. My brothers read a little bit. Little words like if and it. My father can read big words too, like Constantinople and Timbuktu. Say, what does this say? See he three. One sec. Mommy, I need you in here for a second or two. Our little guest helped me read.
Oh, hey. Oh, you want to hold it up?
Yeah.
Point to the words. See, he, me, we, pat, pup, pop, he, three, tree, bee, top, hop, stop.
Ask me tomorrow, but not today.
That's right, because every day we learn how to read more stuff. Good morning.
I might read one more book. Do I have time?
I don't think so. Maybe you have time just to tell everyone thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. This is my brand new studio.
What?
We just set it up. I have some glue, some scissors. I have like some pictures up there of my teacher since this is the Corona. And so stay away from each other and make sure you stay 6 feet apart when you have visitors.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure to subscribe and be nice and stay away.
Mm-hmm.
This is Imagine Read Books on YouTube.